Marhaba. I want to talk about the letter ع again because it has no equivalent letter in English. I have to use some sort of a symbol, let's say, so you can tell when the letter ع is present in a word, so you have a better learning experience. Now, if you look at the letter ع, you will notice it looks like the number 3, but inverted. So I think it would be the best candidate for this job. So let's have an example. If I want to say eyes, that's عيون in Arabic, عيون. But I will be adding number 3 where the letter ع is. It will look like this, عيون, عيون. Get it? This way, it's easier for you to know what I mean when I type the number 3, and might also work as a reminder on how ع looks like. Another example is عرض, عرض, which means width. Or let's say juice, عصير, عصير. I hope you keep this in mind for future videos. شكراً.